I'm in a romantic mood, talking to my baby, acting rude. What a go on, my people? Bless up on a nice, clean self. Over here, so we'll have some things to talk about. So we're gonna get down into the nitty gritty and talk about what a man want in a woman. We're gonna talk about what a man want, what a man expect from a woman, and what I believe, this is my belief, that a man will stick around with you for the long haul. When you're ready to dive into it, yeah, you know. Um, what a long, what a long-lasting relationship looks like. A long-lasting relationship. You see, a woman know how to contain themselves. But I mean, not all women, but not about a loyal woman who really ready to settle down and looking to find genuine love. Them know what them want, them know what them a look for in them partner. So they will definitely make that sacrifice and that effort to keep them dignity and them sanity. Even if, because you see, when you're young, alright, let's talk about the woman first. It's when you're young, you're naive to things. And when you're literally ready now and grow up, you know, you're in your 30s and you're ready for settle down. You already passed through the storm, so you know exactly what you look for. So that is it. When a woman ready for settle down, them know what them a look for. So what a man is looking for to settle down in a woman, a man love peace. You see, quietness. A man love when a woman not in the drama. Them can't bother with the whole heap of gossiping and drama and me say you say, and you know, everything them act up loud and vulgar around them partner, and you know, shout and them something. A man like peace. So you see, if you're a peaceful person, you and that man will get along. Well, it depends on the man. Me talk about man. Me not talk about no man where love gossiping and them something, because you do find man like that. Me talk about genuine man. So a woman will know how to control themselves, them time there. You get what I say? So that a one. Peace. A man love peace. It doesn't matter how beautiful the woman looks. That's not what the man is. I mean, some man like them woman to be beautiful, but they don't have to be that. Like the looks. You see, from your beautiful in your heart, and you know, you're not the worst. You know how to put yourself together, carry yourself together. As long as you have that, a man will prefer settle for that than settle with a beautiful, like a very attractive woman, fee in peace. So you want to make sure say you're a peaceful person, and if you're not, put yourself in a check, control yourself, and you know, but if you get up every day, cuss, nobody no want that. You're gonna use that and drive the man away. Another thing with a man, what a man loves. A man love when them woman can cook. Yeah, I understand a lot of women don't like cook, but my grandmother, my grandparents, old time people used to say, a way to a man heart is him stomach. So you see, if you can't cook, I understand, so you can always, if you have money, you can always pay somebody for cook. But nothing look more sexy and romantic like when a man literally watching woman a cook in meals. That, yeah, joy to him. You understand what I say? That joy to him. Me I come now, you know, with, me I gonna come up with the main thing, you know. But I am saying, a man weight to him stomach, to him heart, is him stomach as well. So remember that. You see, woman on a wall, some woman love to go out there, like, you know, them been with a few months, or them been with a few guys, or them been with a guy, the guy before that, and them tell them say them body good, and this, and you know, sometimes we as women full of ourselves and like we say, oh yes, with this and with that and with her, but that doesn't mean the same person that we're going to pick up have the same feelings of with the other one that we leave have. And I'm talking sexually, because you don't know how him going to feel. So we will get ahead of ourselves when they are not comfortable with that, and we don't even know because them not tell we as a man. So we women sometimes get over ourselves, get ahead of ourselves, and start to feel like, you know, when the man don't feel like that. The man literally have a daddy, and I tell you, say that is right for you can jump up and feel like, oh, I have the good stuff and this and that. Make him tell you, you know, just humble yourself, don't get over yourself and feel like that, because that can also drive a man when you are say something when I know so. So allow him to show that, and it will show in what him do for you. That get for sure. So a man definitely like when a woman be humble, and you know, don't to get a two. If you and him have a disagreement, you have some woman tell them, man, oh, me this, that, and me that good, and me that good, and me can't get that, and me can't get that. No matter with that. That is a part of the drama, but calm down. Cause you see, if him not tell you, nobody get over yourself. As me tell you, the one that you was with before, them tell you about that one I never tell you, then don't get over yourself with it, because everybody feelings is different. So calm down. We need to calm down sometime. Okay? Alright, the next one. Alright, so you see, when getting involved in a relationship, one thing a man like when you talk to them, and I'm not talking about any man, me talk about real man. Them like communication. Them like when you talk to them, tell them about your needs and your wants. Express yourself. Them like that. You understand? So just explain to them, and ask them what them want, what them like, what them don't like, so you can know them needs. So you know what them not like, so you don't do it, and you try to adjust yourself towards it. Don't just do it, you know, so them not like it, and don't just keep doing it because them not like it. You have to make some adjustment. Remember, I know we are feelings, we are human, so we have to make adjustment for each other, not just the man. But me I go do a topic on the woman as well, but me I talk about the man them right now. So definitely just make sure, so you ask the man what him like, what him don't like. Don't try to, you know, play over it, like, you know, care, and you know, show some respect. Because next thing you know, the thing is this, you know, a man, another thing is this, you know, a man, rather you respect them than love up them. Not saying that you don't show them affection, you know, but them care more for respect than love. Did you know that? If I true me attack, any man with upon this video, I watch it, drop it in the comment section. And please guys, if you don't agree with me, I say at least give the video a thumbs up. Drop it in the comment section as well, and let me know if it's facts me talking. Because a man really prefer you show him respect than love him up all day. Show him respect. That is what a man need. Alright, next one. Okay, so this one I am big on. Okay, a lot of people don't realize that love and affection is two different things. That is how I see it. Alright, somebody can love you. I can love my girlfriend. I love my children. Affection is two different things. That is my view. Because you can love your partner and you guys are living in the same house, and because I know people like go through stuff and they're living in the same house and they're not sexually active, but them still love each other. The fact of the matter is, if you don't keep yourself clean, hygiene, keep yourself together, grooming, nice up yourself with a man or woman. You understand? This go for man or woman. If you not keep yourself clean, that is a turn off to your partner, and you want to make sure that you're lookable. You're lookable where your partner can, you know, feel that. But when you carry yourself a certain way, like, it is a turn off, and gradually love grows apart. You understand? Affection drop and love grows apart. So that is big in our relationship. Very, very big. Keep your clean, you know, take a shower every day, grooming yourself, deodorant, everything. Some people not like take a shower, and them not even like that. Them a turn off them partner like that. So that is big on me, because when it come on to morning time, night time, no mind shop, daytime, anytime, me bathe anytime. Me not like feel dirty, so me have to bathe. Whether cold or hot or cold, you know, whether time hot or cold, me I take a shower. So that is big in our relationship as well. A lot of people don't realize that. That will turn me off if you don't like beard. Yeah, you have to maintain. You have to maintain caring for yourself, and that is a big one. All right, so the last one is. The last one, I think I got maybe about 5 things. The last one is, you see, when a man meet a woman, I am big on this. Big, big. I believe you should take time to know each other. And that's where the communication comes in. Build that communication from early out and see if that person will listen to you. See, if that person can listen to you, that means you can express your feelings to them, and you're not afraid to express your feelings to them. Whether man or woman, I'm big on that expression. And just listen. Don't shut me up. Don't try to calm me down. Don't do that. Just listen to me. I want you to listen. I'd love your feedback when I finish express myself. I am big on that. And let me tell you, so when you get used to that, everything fall into place. If you're the kind of person that will speak to your partner, talk about things, you know, open up, and that's the person that you trust and you love, it gradually everything fall into place. You don't want somebody where I go discuss everything when you talk behind your back and go tell them friend and them family everything when you talk. No, you don't want that. That is private. Anything where you can say private to your partner, it's supposed to stay between you and your partner. And this is the main one. When it reaches that point, you know, where you guys have that affection for each other, no matter where, even if you can't cook, sometimes the man look over that, because you know have something together, that passion where you feel attached. It's like lightning a shock you, or current a shock you in your body for each other. The man sometimes look past all the dirts where you have and stick to you because of that. That's a big one. Yeah, it is. But a lot of us don't realize that there's so many things that can show off each other as a partner. So many things that we can do to show off a partner. So you have that shock, you have that feelings, you have that urge for your partner, that love, compassion, everything just fall into place with you and that person. It take it years before that can really cramp and forgotten, because it not just left from your body, it in your head, it in your mind, it controls everything. And that's how people fall in love. That is how people fall in love, because you have that electric feelings towards each other. That's how people fall in love, you know. You get it. You get that feelings when you're with that person. So when you lose it, it's hard to let go when you lose it. But anyway, guys, that's the end of the video, and I hope you like it. And this is my topic. I think it's 5 questions. I'm gonna go back through it, so I'll let you know. But remember, don't forget to like, share, tell a friend about my channel, and bless up on yourself. Enough love. You can inbox me on Facebook, Instagram. Give me a topic one you want me to talk about, and hear my honest opinion on it. I have another request. I'm gonna do it with another video, so I'm gonna do it now. So bless up on yourself, enough love, and stay strong. Stay, keep your heart free from stress. Just enjoy life, okay? Love you guys.